Hello, Ed, Regina. I'm at Porta Angelica, one of the many entrances around the Basilica, where most of the pilgrims or the faithful are lining up to enter St. Peter's Square. And well, the first batch witnessed the transfer of the pontiff from that chapel going here at the Basilica. And itong nakikita sa likod ko, parang second wave na to, no, and Regina. At mukhang uh, actually hinati na yan dahil sa sobrang dami. It's like 2 to 3 blocks away yung haba ng pila para makapasok sila. Pero I think what this batch is waiting for is yung signal after yung mass sa loob na start na nung public viewing or yung visitation nga doon sa remains ni Pope Francis.
Joby, tama ba? I understand beginning around noon time or 11 or 12 o'clock Rome time, opening Basilica for the public, for people to view. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. After that mass, it will be announced by the one celebrating that mass. I'm sorry, I just didn't get the name of the one celebrating the mass now. But the people behind me lining up are expecting na yung kanilang pinipili rito ay yung for the public viewing na pagka nakapasok sila ay yung doon na sa pila for the public viewing end.
And I think we're 6 hours ahead of you, so it should be almost 10 o'clock. Am I correct? Right now in Rome.
It's almost 10 o'clock, 9:58 a.m. in Rome to be exact. And it was announced it will be like 3 days of public viewing before the funeral rites that will happen on Saturday.
So the Basilica will be open for the public to come in every day until Saturday, the funeral itself. I think until midnight every day.
Yes. Alam nyo, Ed, Regina, kanina, no, maaga rin kami dito, no, at least yung mga media na nakasabay ko, ay talagang may mga Filipino tayo nakausap dito, no, na maaga pa lang nag-line up na sila dahil ina-expect nila na parang ngayon na nila gagawin. Kasi sure sila na sa mga susunod na araw daw, mas mahaba at mas maraming ang nandito na sa Vatican para sa viewing, ano. So nag-take advantage sila. I talked to 2 doctors from Santa Rosa, Laguna, at hindi ko alam kung ready yung summer, pero if ever, ang sinabi lang naman nila, nandito sila for the Jubilee Year celebration, ano. At biglang nangyari nga itong schedules ng Easter Monday, so they decided to extend their visit and be part of this itong mga nagaganap ngayon na seremonya dito sa Vatican. And hindi tayo nakausap ng mga taga rito mismo sa Roma or nearby na mga Filipino, at sinabi lang na this is the better time for them to pay yung respect sila sa pontiff, kasi alam nga nila na sa mga dating na araw mas mahaba ang pila na ito. Kung ngayon 2 to 3 blocks ang tagal ng pila, mas mahaba yan for sure sa mga susunod na 3 araw. Ed and Regina.
Sir Joby, quick question lang before we let you go. When you say 2 to 3 blocks ang pila, ano yan? You're talking about hundreds of people or thousands of people na?
Well, dito sa na-observe ko, saan nandito ako sa Porta Angelica, I think thousands na pinag-uusapan natin. Hindi ko lang magalaw, kasi nung nag-live ako kila Lourdes kanina, konting galaw ko lang nawawala yung signal sa dami ng nagla-live dito at saka nagsa-social media na ng mga pilgrims. Pero kasi itong nasa likod ko, sorry, hindi ko mabibigay estimate kung gaano ka. Pero kasi pag tinanong mo yung pababa pa doon, papalayo dito sa entrance ito, marami pang dumarating na mga tao na ang punteriya ay itong pila dito sa Porta Angelica.
Okay, we'll leave it at that muna. Maraming salamat, Joey Francisco, reporting live from the Vatican.